Okay, Sookie, up. We're gonna walk through. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Boots on. You ever come to the Screaming Tunnel, be sure to wear boots. There is water in the tunnel. It's actually quite dry. Here we go. Whoop. Oh, I didn't do that. As long as my initial. I didn't do it. To be see. There is some cool artwork in here. There is no denying that. But I don't know how stable it is going to remain. Ooh, it froze there for a second. Don't know why I did that. But this is it. Here's some more initials. Color. The wind is very strong through here. It's just a whipping tunnel. Ooh, I got a really weird feeling right now. I don't normally get that feeling. That's weird. Oh, there she is. Look back and it was the lady that I was speaking with. Oh, that's kind of cool, the reflective light. It's all the way through. And then you go this side. It's just such a cool picture, really. And then, I'm a little bit nervous. I know why I'm nervous. It's what I seen last year. Because last year, I came up to this little other tunnel up here. I don't know, I was goofing off and I just like zoomed down the tunnel and I was like, what the hell was that? And then it moved. Yeah, it freaked me out. It freaked me out so bad I actually like tagged chills. What is this? I don't even want to look down there. I'm afraid. Oh my god, I'm not normally afraid. I don't like it. Oh, it smells too. Okay, we're gonna go up the hill. But this Screaming Tunnel. All these different paths. But if you want to know where it's haunted, you go up to the right. Because this is where the homestead was. Ooh, I gotta be careful. Ticks, lots of ticks. Whew. A lot of people dirt bike up this way, as you can see. And the stones. Oh, fire. Here we go. So we're getting ready for a campfire. Really had one. Oh, there's the gas can. This is it. This is where the homestead was. This is where I feel the most energy. It's right in this square. So if you ever come here to do investigations, I say come here. Go to the top of the hill. You'll get the best evidence ever.